Hey everybody, Thomas here. So we were working on the walls. I didn't get the camera out, but I have the camera out here. I'm gonna do a time lapse as we get this center beam up. Again, this is that Hickory 9x7, 14-foot long post. That'll be the center post. So here we go. Okay, I had to do some type of closing, make this video a little bit longer. But the shop, I'm very appreciative of my buddies came over and helped me do this, because this was difficult to do. That center post especially, because again, that's a 7x9 by 14-foot hickory, and that's stupid heavy. But we have 3 of the 4 walls up. The front wall, probably won't have that up anytime soon. I'm actually going to start working on some of the beams that go across off of this hickory post, and then kind of securing everything, make sure everything's square. Go ahead and do my top cap all the way around, secure the top all together. Again, the walls are 9 foot tall. It's a 24 by 24, and I'm going to have a wing on either side. This side, I may actually just keep my implements underneath there. I haven't figured out yet. And on the side over here, I'm probably going to park my truck. And on the front here, I'm going to have my apron of concrete. Haven't decided exactly yet on the front doors. I'm thinking about like double doors opening up so I can bring large equipment in and out, and large pieces of wood in and out. I don't want to be restricted by a standard door. And I'll probably do a side door on the side over here as well. This is going to be a wood shop, but I don't know, maybe after we sell the property, someone wants to turn this into something else. So long story short, in the back corner where the sawhorses are, that's where I intend to have a little restroom, just so when people come over, if they're looking at wood and they stay for a long time, need to use the restroom, I'll have something out in the shop that they can use. On this side over here, I'm actually going to put my power box probably somewhere in this vicinity, because I've got my power pole just right over here. So as you can see, the power pole right there, I'll do in the ground, get the power company to hook it up, everything, come right to here. And then we're going to have the loft above. So from the center post back, we'll have a loft above it, with the highest point being about 5 foot. It's not really a loft you can do much with, other than I'm going to store wood and store things that I'm not using at that time. Mostly it's going to be a lot of wood. I will have an AC in here, and I will be running my big planer. At some point I am going to buy the 25-inch or 725 planer from Woodmaster. So that being said, my power box will be here. I'll run 2 outlets of 220 on that wall, and then maybe one on the back wall. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that yet. So maybe 3 outlets of 220, probably at the most, since most of my equipment does not run 220. But my planer will be on this side of the shop. On this side over here, I'll probably run about 6 outlets of 110, and on the same on the back wall as well. And then coming down on either side of the post, I'll probably have some outlets as well. And I was thinking about doing a ladder, as I talked early in the movie, or the video, excuse me. I was thinking about doing a ladder going up around that post or off to the side. No, I think I'm just going to bring in a ladder. If I want to get up in there, I'll just bring in a ladder, or I don't know, haven't figured it out yet. Long story short, fantastic day. I'm looking forward to making more progress on this, but as you can see in the distance over there, we've got the truck started loaded up with some furniture. We're gonna make our trip up to northern Alabama this weekend to go get drop off some furniture with some family, and then meet my dad along the way, and pick up the box elder and some cedar logs. And as we do most afternoons down here around the sawmill on the farm, I like to do a fire, and we'll kind of relax out here. I need to chill down and relax before the early morning run. So thank you all for watching. I'll keep you updated as much as I can. Sorry I didn't get more of the video together today, just that one little quick time lapse, but you know, we are making progress here on the farm. Been a busy day, but yeah, we'll see you around. Thanks.